Hello students and respective viewers, welcome to our educational channel Study Time. Our today's topic is lesson number 6. It's only a matter of practice of 4th standard English. Before start with video, I would like to tell do subscribe our channel and share, like and comment our videos. Okay, now let's begin with our lesson. Long ago in faraway China. Long ago means at a particular time in the past, in a faraway China. That means at a very long distance in a China. Faraway means what? Away. Long distance, at a long distance we can say. There lived an archer called Chen Yaozi. There lived a archer. Archer means what? The person who shoots arrow from a bow. Okay. And the name of this archer is Chen Yaozi. He was a skilled archer. Okay, now Chen Yaozi was a skilled archer. That means Chen Yaozi do his job very well. Okay, that means he was a very experienced archer and could perform wonderful feats of archery. And so as he is skilled archer, he was perform wonderful feats of archery. That means he got a strength in the archery. He could hit target precisely at the center even when it was placed at a very long distance. He always hit his target precisely. Meaning of precisely means exactly, and always hit the target at the exactly at the center even when target was placed at a very long distance. He liked to show off his skill to the admiring crowds that gathered around him. He always liked to show off his skill. That means he always liked to show his skill in front of the people, in front of the crowd, to the admiring crowd. Admiring crowd means what? The people who admires the Chen Yaozi. That means people who praise the skill of the Chen Yaozi. He liked to show his skill to such a type of such type of people. One day, he was practicing his skill in front of many admirers. One day, he was practicing. That means he was showing his skill in front of many people, and they are the admirers. That means they praise the Chen Yaozi. That means they are the admirers of the Chen Yaozi. When he noticed an old man standing at the back, and at that time Chen Yaozi noticed one old man who was standing at the back side. The man was carrying gourds of oil that were hanging from a long cane on his shoulder. And this old man carrying a gourds. Here the meaning of gourds means what? A container, and which is these containers are made from the dried large fruit with a hard skin. Okay, that means this container made up of the fruit. That means hard skin of the fruit. And with this container there is a oil. And this container were hanging from a long cane on his shoulder. Now here the meaning of cane means what? A long stick. The old man carrying a container of the oil on his shoulder, and which is hanging with the help of the cane on his shoulder. Okay, all the other people were clapping their hands and praising Chen Yaozi. Okay, all the peoples gathered over there, that is the admirers of the Chen Yaozi, are clapping for the Chen Yaozi. When Chen Yaozi show off his skill in front of the gather, all of them clapping for and praising Chen Yaozi. But this old man was quiet. Okay, but the old man was quiet. That means he do not say anything. He do not express any feelings, and he do not pray for the praise and clap for the Chen Yaozi. He was just standing quietly. That means he was just standing as it do not give any expression. He neither clapped nor uttered words of praise. He neither clapped for the Chen Yaozi nor uttered. Here the meaning of uttered means not said a single word of praise. He just stood there nodding his head and said, "It's just a matter of practice." He just stood there, okay, and nodding his head. That means move the head up and down as a signal, only for giving a signal, and only say that it's just a matter of practice. And old man said all these things happen because of practice. That means old man want to say that Chen Yaozi hit his target precisely exactly at the center, because Chen Yaozi has a much of Yaozi do much of the practice of shooting the arrow. Okay, Chen Yaozi was annoyed. Now, after listening his word saying by the old man, Chen Yaozi become angry. Okay, are you an archer yourself? And then asked to the old man, are you archer yourself? Do you think anyone can do what I can do with my bow and arrows? Now, with anger, Jinyaozi asked to the old man, do you think that anyone can do what I can do with my bows and arrows? No, sir, the old man replied. The old man still replied with a patience. So patiently said that, no, sir, I'm not an archer. I don't doubt your skill. The old man said that I'm not archer and I no have any doubt about your skill. All I said was everything is a matter of practice. I just said that everything is a matter of practice. That means all these things happen because of the practice, because you have a lot of practice about your skill and you got a mastery in your skill because of practice. Chen Yaozi became very angry. Now Chen Yaozi become very much angry. What do you know that you pass such a thoughtless comments on other people? Then Chen Yaozi said in anger that what do you know? Okay, what do you know about archery? And you just pass a thoughtless comment. That means something that you say about the people. That means without thinking on it and say just as it is to the people. Who are you? Okay, then Chenauji asked the old man, who are you? Please don't get angry, sir. I am an oil seller, as you must have guessed from the gods. Okay, then old man replied that, please don't angry, sir. I am an oil seller. This old man was an oil seller, as you must have guessed from the guards. Okay, and he said that you come to know about after looking at the gourds, because these gourds are the container which is used to carry the oil. Every day I fill these gourds with oil and sell them. The old man filled the gourds with the oil every day, and every day he was sell them. Over the years and from over the years from last from many years he sell the oil with the help of these containers. I have achieved some skill in filling the gourds. Okay, and as I do this work from many years, so I have lot more practice and achieve some skill in filling the gourds. Here the meaning of achieve means what? I become succeed in, that means finishing something, or I became reaching at the aim. That's that, and the aim is what? In filling the gourds. Okay, if you allow, I will show it to you. This man was achieved skill filling the gourds, and the old man want to show the skill to the Chen Yaozi, and the crowd gathered over there, and for that he asked the permission. If you allow, I will show it to you. Growled Chen Yaozi. Now already Chen Yaozi became angry. Now he also growled, means to make rough sound in anger. As he was become angry, he make a rough sound in anger. Everybody was curious to see what would happen next. Now everybody who stood over there was curious. They want to see that what would happen next. Now patiently the old man sat down an empty gourd on the ground. Then he put a small coin on the mouth of the gourd. Okay, now then he put a small coin on the mouth of that gourd. In those days, at that time, that means on that days, some coins had a little hole at the center. At that time, small coins had a little hole at the center. As you here look in the picture, then the old man stood up. Took some oil in his ladle and began to pour oil into the gourd from a height. Okay, then man stood up and take some oil in his ladle. Here the meaning of ladle means what? Deep cup shaped spoon. He take some oil in the spoon and start to pour. Began means what? The past participle of begun. Okay, and begin. And here another meaning of for the begin is start. Then he start pour oil. Pour means what? That means here the meaning of pour means flow from one container to another container. Okay, and oil into the god from a height. Okay, now old man start to pour the oil from a height. The oil went straight into the god through the hole in the coin. Okay, as he, although he poured the oil from the height, then also the oil went straight into the another god which is put on the ground. Okay, and through the hole in the coin. When the old man had finished filling up the gourds, he lifted up the coin. Now when the old man finished filling, that means old man stopped pour the oil from one container to another container, because the container who put on the ground now become filled with the oil. Then he lifted up the coin. Okay, not a trace of oil should be seen on it. Okay, now if he when he lifted the coin, who put on the uh, empty gourd which is on the ground, now the gourd filled up with the oil. Okay, when he lifted up the coin does not have their single sign of the oil on that coin. Okay, that means not a trace of oil could be seen on it. That means not even single drop of the oil drop on that coin. Okay, the people watching it were speechless with wonder. Okay, now all the people gather over there, they feel surprising. Okay, and they were speechless, because unable to speak, or they was getting shocked. Okay, because the old man showing his skill, even he pour the oil from the height and oil goes through the small hole from one container to another container. Then also even not a single drop of the coin fall onto that single drop of the oil fall onto that coin. But the old man only smiled. As I said, there is nothing special about it. But the old man never did not give any special expression. She was only smiled. Okay, because the old man know that nothing is special about in this thing, because it's only a matter of practice. You see, the old man wants to say that I had a lot of practice. I had did this thing for so many times. That's why I got this skill and experience. Chen Yaozi lost all his anger after looking all these things. Chen Yaozi lost his anger and annoyances. He just gave a short laugh and said, "You have taught me something important today." Now, angry Chen Yaozi became smiled. Okay, he gave short laugh and said that you taught me something important today. Give me a lesson, important lesson today. After that, Chen Yaozi never showed off or boasted about his skill as an archer. Now Chen Yaozi taught a lesson from this old man, and from that day Chen Yaozi never show off. That means he never show and never proud to be about his skill as an archer. Thanks for watching our videos. Keep watching, keep learning.